Welcome to Instant Buzz. In this guide, we'll take you through the ins and outs of boat insurance, who needs it, and the benefits and coverages it provides. So, let's dive in. First of all, what is insurance for boats? Boat insurance is a specialized policy designed to protect boat owners from financial losses that may occur due to unforeseen circumstances on the water. Just like car insurance, boat insurance provides coverage for damages to your vessel, liability protection, and additional benefits specific to watercraft. So, who needs insurance for boats? If you own a boat, whether it's a yacht, sailboat, fishing boat, or personal watercraft, having boat insurance is highly recommended. It doesn't matter if you're a weekend warrior, a dedicated angler, or a full-time sailor. Insurance for boats is essential for anyone who wants to protect their investment and themselves from potential risks on the water. Let's jump into understanding of benefits and coverages associated with insurance for boats. Boat insurance provides a range of benefits and coverages to give you peace of mind on the open seas. Let's explore a few of them. Number 1. Property damage coverage. Boat insurance helps cover repair or replacement costs if your boat is damaged or destroyed due to accidents, storms, vandalism, or theft. Number 2. Liability protection. Accidents happen. Even on the water, liability coverage safeguards you financially if you're found responsible for causing injuries to others or damaging someone else's property while operating your boat. Number 3. Medical payments. Boat insurance often includes medical payments coverage, which helps pay for medical expenses if you or your passengers are injured while on board your vessel. Number 4. Underinsured watercraft coverage. This coverage steps in if you're involved in an accident with a boater who doesn't have insurance or doesn't have enough coverage to fully compensate for the damages. Number 5. Emergency towing and assistance. Boat insurance policies often provide coverage for emergency services such as towing, fuel delivery, and on-water assistance if your boat breaks down or you need help in a sticky situation. Remember, every boat insurance policy is different, so it's crucial to carefully review the terms and coverage limits to ensure they align with your needs and expectations. So, before you set sail, protect your vessel and enjoy the water with the confidence that comes from having the right boat insurance. Stay safe and happy boating!